Welcome to Emma 3D English! Let's learn English together!
Wait, what is that?
Lily, are you joking?
Why are there penguins in my fridge?
They are real penguins.
It feels so cold and soft.
Why are penguins inside our fridge?
That penguin is funny!
Oh my gosh, what was that? It sneezed. So cute.
That's one way to cool down.
They need cold water quickly.
This is perfect for them.
Ready for some fun?
They really love water! Oh, look at them go! What a splash!
Why is there a penguin in our fridge?
Wait, is that real?
It's so cute. Nobody panic.
How did this happen?
Look! It likes the kitchen! Soft chucked in.
Are you hungry? Maybe it wants fish.
Let's try this.
Aw, it was hungry. This is
Unbelievable.
Someone must have lost it.
It looks
Healthy. It can rest here.
Penguins don't belong in kitchens.
Maybe it came from somewhere nearby. I think it likes you.
Penguins don't belong in kitchens.
Maybe it came from somewhere nearby. I think it likes you. It's actually adorable.
Maybe it wanted the cold.
Look at him!
Wait, there's a number here.
A number! Let me see!
It's tiny. Hold on.
Wow, you're right! Maybe this belongs to a zoo.
I found something.
Do we have to send him away?
I don't know.
But I don't want to. We'll help him safely.
Yes, we found a penguin.
He walks funny.
Its feathers are soft.
Look, he's feeling better already.
This should keep him comfortable. Chirp, chirp. Oh, he likes it.
Best day ever. That must be them.
Hello?
Careful, Emma.
Who's there?
Ma'am, I'm a rescue worker. Everything's okay.
What happened?
E. You found our missing penguin. Looks like he
Knows you.
It's time for him to go back.
I'm going to miss him.
I know. He'll miss you too.
You helped him.
We did the right thing.
You saved him.
Oh, we were happy to help. We're just glad he's safe.
Your kindness made all the difference.
Take care.
Goodbye, little guy.
Goodbye, little guy. The kitchen feels empty now. What a strange day. I'm just going to clean up a bit.
Need a hand?
I've got it, thanks. Wait. What is this? A souvenir.
Please don't be another penguin. Please don't be another penguin.
What?
Do you like this story? Please like this video. Subscribe to Emma 3D English for more fun stories.